country people, and welcome back to my channel today. Child custody battle between Lord Lamba and the baby mama wey be say they call Queen Atang. They don adjourn am for court today as Lord Lamba failed to show up for court. So a magistrate court for Oba, Lagos State, don adjourn the court case, the child custody proceeding between both parties. Don adjourn am from May 23rd to July 18 of 2024. The report wey be say we dey hear be say the case they suppose do the case today, wey be May 23rd 2024, but Lord Lamba e no show up. Im come send, even a lawyer sef no come, so the lawyer come send an assistant, make the assistant go represent am for court. Imagine a case where lawyer no come, the person wey be say dey sue person, because na Lord Lamba dey sue Queen na, e no still show up. Those of una wey be say know the story, Queen, after her Big Brother Naija Shine Your Eye season wey be say she do 2021, she started dating Lord Lamba. She come welcome her pikin on Sunday, December 25th 2022. So for March 2024, she come marry her husband wey be say they call King David. Around that same time wey be say she married David, na Lord Lamba come drag her go court over custody of their daughter. Two of them don dey date. After she born the pikin finish, the guy he reject the pikin. According to wetin we dey hear from the street, he reject the pikin. When the girl carry the pikin go give the mama say make they do DNA test to check and say the pikin no get Lord Lamba nose. Later now, after some time, Queen come online, come dey cry that period how Lord Lamba take dey pursue other women, how he take reject the pikin. Even during the pikin birthday, he no gree post the pikin for a page as two of them agree. So fans come dey insult her that time, say she did not get shame, say she did very desperate. Even when she did for inside Big Brother house, the way she did pursue white money up and down, she can't come out now, she don't dey pursue Lord Lamba. She won't use pikin to trap the boy. Now the rumor wey be say people carry that time. Few months later, with everything wey be say go on, even with the baby, another man come from somewhere, accept her for who she is. Even the boy family accept her the way she be. The wedding can't take place. That same time, Lord Lamba dey sue the girl, say he want custody of his child, say he no go gree make another man raise the pikin for her. So wetin the report for street, they talk say when e reach time for the court case, wetin Lord Lamba dey do be say him go follow for back, they go attend court so that Queen no go come, Queen no go know say they don't put the time like this. So him go follow for back, him go court, she no go there, so that by the end of the day him go win the case. It go come be as if Queen no dey serious about the pikin. Thing come backfire because person can't let Queen know say see wetin dey sup. She can't come court, Lord Lamba no come this time around, so they call adjourn the case. Make una take note, till today from wetin we dey hear, he no dey send money for the pikin upkeep. According to the person wey be say they mediate between the both of them to try to reconcile the both of them, till today Lord Lamba no dey send money for the pikin upkeep. The reason why Lord Lamba give wey make her no dey send money for his own blood, na be say they no dey allow am see the pikin. And Queen on the other hand, she no dey bothered about him sending money because her husband hold money and she hold money too. All the woman wants be say make they just allow her and her pikin make they date together, because now she go fit give the boy, as in now she go fit give the baby girl the upbringing wey be say she deserve. For those of now wey know Lord Lamba, looking at him, you go know say the guy is meant for the streets. There's no how he can take care of a baby girl, a girl for that matter. You no get how he want to take care of the pikin. So this here na the paper, the court paper. As you can see, they don't adjourn the case. We see some fans' reaction after this video come up online. So the first person is, I blame Queen for allowing that child to answer Lamba's surname. He didn't pay her dowry. The child belongs to her, period. Queen try where she even allow Lord Lamba even enter the pikin life. Pikin wey be say you first reject, he not supposed to answer that boy name at all. Another person come say, please ladies, stop having children with wicked men. The next one say, make una they know who una dey open leg born for. Another one say, person when not dey serious, he's just paying that Queen move on. Lamba trying so hard to be a bone in the neck. Not rich, because Queen self, her husband family, the husband get many brothers. Anyhow where Lord Lamba want and they go dig around. They never arrest very dark man now. I dey very sure say that one for come out, come dey run him mouth. You don't see her now to say Lord Lamba no gree come court. Believe say another man go fit accept wetin he use any actual way. He not believe am for a life. Now make it dey see say he dey pained. The next person say sued her just cause he wanted to be vindictive. Now he's nowhere to be found. Take your L, Ogbeni. Another one say so he filed and didn't show up at court. A very good father that will give the child to his mom and his sisters told to take care of. Amazing dad. Kudos. The last person say people saying women, I am confused. Isn't he the one that took her to court and still failed to show up? The guy not dey serious about the pikin, not dey interested in the pikin in the first place. He just dey triggered because queen see engagement. Na jealousy wan finish the guy. Very wicked person. No get judge wey be say go just open him eye grant that guy, grant Lord Lamba custody of the pikin, especially when queen wey be the pikin mama never abandon the pikin at all. Lamba better just forget about everything and just move on with his life, because fighting a mother and a child, e no go fit work out in his favor. Take care, una bye.